Awareness. All right, round 3. Now let's kill this. Maybe it's a final round. So when you have this will be the left hand side, this will be the right hand side. This whole thing after the equal sign, we know this is the right hand side. Before the equal sign, this is the left hand side. So whenever they say prove, you choose a side. You're not forced to take the left, you can take the right. Choose any side. I'm going to take the left hand side. So first write it as it is, as you see it here. Don't change nothing. I said when there's a minus or plus, check if there's a common factor. For this one, there's an exponent of 4, but sine and cos are not the same, which means because of the minus is difference of 2 squares. So now, if we got a perfect square minus difference of 2 squares, we know that divide this by 2, you're going to get the 2 there and the 2 there of the sine. Divide by 2, the cos, then it's minus plus. Then what happens with that one? We know this one, you cannot subtract these 2, but sine squared plus cos squared, we already know it's 1. So 1 times this whole thing is just that. So we've proven that it's equal to this. So our left-hand side is equal to our right hand side. So it's proven above. Right, now prove that this is that. Again, I'm going to take the left hand side, this one here, write it as it is first. Again, there's a plus. Check if there's a common factor. So in this case, there is sine squared, sine squared. So I'm going to take out sine squared as a common factor. When this is gone, remember when this is gone, there's a 1 in front here. There's a 1. So this is gone, the 1 will be left. Plus, this is gone, I'm left with the 10 squared there. Then we know with 10, we always change to sine over cos. Because it's squared, it's going to be sine squared over cos squared. Because this is a fraction, change this to be a fraction as well, which is 1 over 1. This is a fraction as well, sine squared over 1. So everything is a fraction. Then remember what I taught you, 1 and cos squared will become my LCD. Then we write this one. This one cancels this one, the cos goes there. Plus the sine squared, this cos cancels this cos, the 1 goes there. Then we'll still have this as it is. 1 times cos squared is cos squared, sine squared times is sine squared. Cos squared plus sine squared is what? It's 1 over the what? The cos squared. Then this is going to be this time, this is that, this time this is that, and sine squared over cos squared is what? Is 10 squared. We have proven again that our left hand side is equal to my right hand side. Right, last one for the show. We have this one. So we're going to take left hand side as it is. Some of us, we can square the binomial. Some of us, we need to spread it out like this. Then sine times sine times this is that, this times this. And notice cos times sine, we say sine cos. We don't say cos sine. And then cos times cos is cos squared. You can group the sine squared and cos squared because we know they give us 1. There's a 1 here. There's an invisible 1 there. That's why I'm putting the 1s and the 1s there. And then sine squared plus cos squared is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 sine theta cos theta. Then we've proven it, guys. Awareness.